Hey, what's up guys? Hunter over here at Parkside Kia of Knoxville. Today I want to show you this beautiful X-Line Sportage behind me in jungle green. Check this out. Being the X-Line package, you're going to get the gloss black grille up front here. Follow me around to the side. You're also going to get the black and aluminum rims on this particular model. Being X-Line, it is all-wheel drive as well, so you won't have any issues getting through the snow or mud. Come check out the inside. It does have leather throughout, heated seats. Check it out here. Come around back, tons of room in the back. Oh look, it's already got the 60/40 bench laying down. It does have the smart power liftgate. Check that out. Tons of room in the back here. Both these seats lay down completely flat for you guys. Check out all the space back there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to come check this vehicle out, come down here and see us, 9929 Parkside Drive, Knoxville, Tennessee. Have a good one, y'all.